guess what? It's wash and go season. It's warm and it's experimental time. So, question, how do I keep my kinky texture defined without puffing it up? Don't puff it up. A, can I get good definition without finger coiling? Yeah. I mean, I'm assuming that not knowing your hair texture, that really key is using tons of conditioner. Keeping the hair soft. So your naturally dry, kinky, coily hair stays more, say, softer and pliable. Using also a styling product immediately after you've rinsed out your conditioner so that you can capture the definition on your kinky coily hair that the conditioner helped to reveal. Using your palms, a lot of your styling product, whether it's your Hair Rules Kinky Curling Cream or the Hair Rules Curly Whip, on sopping wet hair, and then using your palm. Some of you have seen this brush or this kind of fabric thing that helps the finger coil. Use your hands. It's easier and you can get a lot more definition, and the hands are key. So I hope that helps.